week's episode. Jesse, my friend, how are you?
Dude, doing really well. Thanks for the Mountain Dew.
You guys are a bit echoed. I'm not exactly sure why. I don't know. I'm curious if you have two microphones in the same room and you guys are kind of close to each other. Is that what's happening?
Yeah, that's probably what it is.
Okay.
And we're in this office that just isn't, I don't know. It could be the two mics close to each other and it's a smaller office that just could be echoey as well.
What kind of mics are you using?
We're using the Rodecaster Pro ones that come with it. So
okay.
We have a Rodecaster Pro and they're the Rode mics that come with it.
Okay. So most of the Rode mics are dynamic. And so there's a good chance that these are dynamic. I'd have to see the exact one and we could look it up to verify.
They are dynamic. I can tell you that.
Okay. Well, I would just say that the way that it's probably some type of combination of the two things of the room that you're recording in, as Devin already mentioned, and how you use the mic. My suggestion is to turn the gain down a little and you get close to your own mic and farther away from the other person's mic. And you're also turning the gain down so it's only picking up what's right next to it. And you're not going to get the... Oh, okay. I had a weird setting. So how does this sound to you guys right now?
It's okay.
It sounds very crisp and it sounds like you're using a microphone as opposed to the audio on your computer.
Okay. Yeah, when it's up close, you can tell.
All right. So this is probably what I want you to sound like. I'm not using my headphones to double check. This is probably what I want you to sound like. And this is kind of what you currently sound like, although I don't think yours is as bad as this, but it's kind of like this compared to this, where you only really hear it. And so the things are, I'm basically putting it right next to my chin and then I'm turning the gain down to like 40%. So it's not picking up it's not turned up to 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100%. It's at 40. And then I'm right next to it. And if you have it like that, it probably will echo a little bit less. Let's just push play.
Yeah. The diet mount.